So we're back with a brand new product to check out. This is the Dreame H12 Pro FlexWash cordless floor washer. It is a tangle cut, leaving 0 tangles behind when cleaning. It has hands-free, like self-cleaning, which uses heat to also clean out the roller and dry it out, as well as hot air up to 194 degrees to help reduce the odors that might stick around on it so you're not getting any mildewy. It is a beefy big box and it's designed to leave behind 0 tangles, run for 50 minutes, always cleans with fresh water using 18 kPa suction, which is very large. Edge-to-edge cleaning, very minimal edging on the edge of it, and like I said, 194 degree hot air, and it's designed specifically for really heavy duty stains. So let's open this up. We're gonna check out what comes inside. So we've known Dreame for quite some time from CES. They're a great company that makes like cleaning vacuums and now even pool cleaners, which is really impressive. Okay, so they got us a bottle of cleaning fluid. Nice. Here's a roller for the unit, a little filter, a little cleaning brush, and we've got our manuals. Looks like we're going to have to assemble the unit a little bit. So this is the floor unit that you're going to install the unit into when it's cleaning. You got a pretty good hefty cord to it, which is nice. Some scratch proofing on there for shipping. And you got the Dreame logo right there on the top, which is nice. I do like that rubber stopper, I think, to help to keep the air in working on the actual unit. And this is the actual vacuum. Let's actually tilt this on its back for a second. Wow. So, right off the bat, I'm seeing a lot of protective wrap on the unit to keep it nice and clean, even on all the buttons. Even on the backside, crazy. You've got your max lie flat, max standing fill marks. And the unit with pull just literally drops. Even more seal on this front piece here. Alright, so this tank here is specifically for dirty water, while this tank here is for your clean water. You just take that off, pour water in there, and you're good to go, and you push it back in place. On the front here, we do have a little guard for travel. But this is the brush right here. As you can see, they do give you an extra one, which is nice. Right here on the top is where the filter is. You can pull this whole unit out to clean it, which is really nice by pulling that up. And then this piece here comes out. which you can swap if it gets too dirty with the other unit and then clean it out. It looks like you can just hose it down and let it dry, which is really nice. Then this unit goes back in here. Once it's all said and done, you're ready to reinstall it in the actual system. Again, like I said, you store this unit in here and it's going to do all the work of cleaning the unit, drying it out, heating it up. Really solid. The top here is a sensor that you can actually activate with touch. As you can see right here, you have turbo mode, quiet mode, smart mode, drying mode, suction mode, and self-cleaning mode. There's also a dust concentration and self-cleaning drying process on there as well. We'll show you the screen once it's all lit up and active in a second, but first things first, let's actually install this handle. A little clip there. So you're gonna place that in, and it should lock into place. And there's a little push here where if you want to take a screwdriver and push it in, you can push that pin back in to remove the handle if need be. There's also a really cool feature on the unit, which is a little ball here on the bottom. So if you need to get underneath furniture, that little ball allows it to roll, not rubbing on the bottom, but rolling on this little tiny ball wheel, which is really cool. Before you start cleaning, you're going to mix a cap of this cleaner into the water reservoir with your water and just shake it up, and that's going to give you your cleaning solution for it. Let's go take this, fill this up with water, and use it a little bit and show you what it's like. We'll be right back. Blow it out. Hopefully you find that interesting. Hopefully that helps you keep your house clean. And we see you in our next video next time.